In the event that you're searching for NEM cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of NEM, ZEM will in a real sense go later on in an unpretentious manner, we will break down the past costs of NEM, ZEM, and we'll figure out what specialists truly are talking about its future cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly explicitly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this most certainly is just the idea of some market master examiners in an unobtrusive way. Also, foreseeing something so amazing truly is totally unthinkable in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, we will really make an honest effort. How about we for the most part start? NEM past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of NEM in a real sense is $0.029, and ZEM is at present positioned number 114 in the genuinely whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of NEM is 8,999,999,999 with a market cap of $263,051,953 in an unpretentious manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 3.63% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the exceptionally current market cap of the ZEM with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. NEM is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ZEM explicitly is down to nearly 3.53% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ZEM diminished by 30.641%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $0.013 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down really implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a decent purchase, a potential open door for the most part speedy speculation, which is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 23.77%, and the cost truly circled from a base typical cost of $0.038 to especially most extreme normal cost of $0.041 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, which is very huge. In most recent 4 months, NEM explicitly has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we certainly believe that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period in every practical sense, significant way. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of NEM is expanded from 4 months. In spite of prevalent thinking, the exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 0.71%. With the truly greatest typical cost of the coin generally was around $0.030, and the kind of least normal value of was around $0.026 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future NEM cost expectations ZEM gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination on the past value information of NEM. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the ZEM coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, NEM market cap, NEM volume, and kind of barely anymore. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need commonly great profit from your ventures, try to generally peruse our forecasts. NEM Value Forecast 2023. The cost of NEM is anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of $0.034 in 2023. The NEM cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.038, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.035, all through 2023. NEM Value Expectation 2024. The cost of NEM generally is certainly anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.050 in 2024. The NEM cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.059, with the truly normal exchanging cost of $0.052 all through 2024. ZEM Value Conjecture for 2025. The cost of NEM is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.074 in 2025, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The NEM cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.087, with the kind of typical cost of $0.076 all through 2025. NEM ZEM Value Forecast 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ZEM in 2026, the cost of NEM certainly is somewhat anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 11 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The ZEM cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2027. The cost of 1 NEM is supposed to explicitly reach at least degree of 16 cents in 2027, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ZEM cost can arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 19 cents, with the typical cost of 16 cents, all through 2027. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. NEM Value Expectation 2028. NEM cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 22 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ZEM cost could arrive at a really most extreme especially conceivable degree of 27 cents, with the typical conjecture cost of 23 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. NEM ZEM Value Expectation 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of NEM really is supposed to reach at least value worth of 33 cents, or so they thought. The ZEM cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 39 cents, with the essentially normal worth of 34 cents. NEM Value Figure 2030. NEM cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 47 cents in 2030. According to our discoveries, the ZEM cost could basically arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 57 cents, with the genuinely normal gauge cost of 49 cents, which is very huge, which is very critical. NEM ZEM Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ZEM in 2031, the cost of NEM is gauged to be at around a base worth of 70 cents. The NEM value worth can for the most part arrive at a limit of 82 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 72 cents in United States dollars. NEM Value Expectation 2032. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2032, the cost of NEM is explicitly anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.05 in a significant manner. The ZEM cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $1.19, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.09 in a significant manner, in an unpretentious manner. NEM Value Gauge Facts. What will be the ZEM most noteworthy figure cost for 2023? The ZEM cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0.038 toward the finish of 2023. How high might NEM at any point go in an in every practical sense significant way? The really normal cost of NEM, ZEM, could go to